Countryside Dumpster Rental LLC is your go-to destination for top-tier waste management solutions in Farmington, Minnesota. We specialize in dumpster rental in Farmington, Minnesota, and we're here to make your cleanup process hassle-free and efficient. From residential decluttering to large-scale construction projects, we have the perfect dumpster size to fit your needs and keep your project on track. Dial 507-298-0950 for seamless waste disposal and let Countryside Dumpster Rental LLC handle the rest. Explore our range of dumpster options and book your rental online at www.countrysidedumpsterrental.com. With lightning-fast delivery and pickup services, we ensure your project stays on schedule without any delays. At Countryside Dumpster Rental LLC, we understand that waste management shouldn't be dull. That's why we're committed to providing our customers with an exciting and dynamic experience. With competitive pricing, convenient online booking, and exceptional customer service, we're redefining the dumpster rental industry one project at a time. With Countryside Dumpster Rental LLC, say goodbye to boring cleanup tasks and hello to a fresh, energetic approach.